Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, very unique, and a very beautiful treat for you. But all you have to do is kindly watch the video till end. Don't skip my video any beat, any second, because then you will be regretting the moment that you have skipped my design ideas, because all of these are very self-pampering, self-styling, and very trendy, latest, unique, eye catchy, and they are three in one. That is, you can use them for hand embroidery, for machine embroidery, for computerized embroidery stuff as well. So all of these patterns are simply user friendly, beginner friendly, hand embroidery artist friendly. They are very easy to make. They are based on hand embroidery artist basic stitches, absolutely highly designer style patterns or dresses. You can wear these dresses for a very beautiful, classy and stylish beachy outfits, classy summer dresses look, and many more creative outfit styles you can do with this very beautiful pattern. So those who are in search of very beautiful design ideas, they are self-made, self-designers of their own dresses, can absolutely try these patterns of my collection. And those who have a startup, who has a business, and they are in search of very beautiful, unique and latest trendy designs of hand embroidered neckline design ideas, then friends, again, this video is a treat for you. Go for your clients design ideas, clients requirements, and meet up with a very beautiful final touch and earn thousands of dollars, many pennies, by spending a very less focused amount of time to make these embroidery patterns. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.